Do you know that any video you watch, you always see cards on the videos and you always see end screen, but you don't know what it is, right? Probably you don't know what it is. So today I will be introducing you to what card is and what end screen is. And I will also teach you how to add cards and end screens on all your videos so that they will help to push your videos to your audience, right? So cards, when you're watching someone's video and at some point in the video, the person tells you, if you've not seen this video up here, please go check the video out. And then you look at the top of the screen, you're going to see a link that will pop up right on with the description about the video, right? Maybe how to do this or how to do that, and then that will pop up, right? That is called cards. Now what about end screen? End screen, after watching someone's video, at the end of the video you're going to see some maybe 4 or 5 or 3 or 2 links popping up on both sides of the screen. That is what we call end screen. So the person at the end of the video might say, check this video here out. Or if you like this video, you will probably like this. Maybe you've seen something like that and then you see the links popping up on the screen. And so you go ahead and choose the one you want, right? The first one is cards and the second one is end screen, and they are very easy and simple to push. And you know, the most important thing here is that all these things have to push your videos to your audience, because when someone is watching your video and then you tell the person, oh, maybe probably you're teaching on how to use this YouTube Studio, and you say to the person, I've also made another video on YouTube Studio, please check it out, right? So the person can go ahead and click on the link. So today I'll be showing you how to add the end screen and then the cards on your video so that they will help to push your videos to your audience. Welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If today is the first time you're coming to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, because I will be showing you a lot of ways to make sure that you have a lot of views and a lot of subscribers through the settings we'll do on YouTube Studio and many other processes that we'll be showing you. Okay, so now let's move straight to our system. If you have an Android phone, you can use an Android phone. If you have an iPhone, you can use an iPhone. If you have your PC, you can use it. Just make sure you are using Chrome on that device. All right, so now we go ahead. Please go to your Chrome, and then you're going to search for studio.youtube.com. Okay, I already have it here, so I can go ahead and click on it. Studio.youtube.com. Now you click enter and then click on the first option here. That's what we'll be using for it. So you click on the first option and then your account will appear here. So this is my account, right? Okay, so everything about your account will appear here. On the first screen, you don't need to click on any part. On the first screen, you're going to see your videos right here. Here it says published videos. So these are the videos I've published, right? So if I want to add cards in any of these videos, for example, I want to add cards on this video. Okay, let me choose this one. All right, so click on it. Right, so when you click on it, it's going to take you to this particular screen, right? And in this particular screen, look at it very well. Now on this side, your thumbnail and all that. Now let's move to this side where you have the video here. You can as well play the video and then you can pause. So go down here, you see the first part here, it says public. The visibility, it is public, and then you go down, end screen and cards. Very easy, so you don't have to go a very long way to do this. So let's first add cards before we go to end screen. So click on cards, and then when it appears here, you see your videos here. Now there is something you need to notice here. When I try to move my cursor around this area, right, on this particular place, you see that there is a line moving with it. So when I click on this place, now you're going to see that the whole thing will change, right? So what it means is that at this point, I am trying to find the place where I will put a card. So play it. Now, so since I linked that, okay, if you don't want to add the cards here, you can move to the next part. Let's say here, go down a little bit, put it here, and then click on it. Right. So now, okay, suppose I want to add my cards here. What I have to do now is to leave this here, this line here, and then I will go to plus card, right? Just go to plus card. Now you're going to, we have videos here, we have playlists here, and we have channel, anyone you want to add. So but I want to add a video here, so let's click on video, and then all your videos will appear here. So which one do I want to put? Make sure you don't put two videos at the same time, the same video in two places, right? But you only choose one video. You don't choose one video in two places. Okay, so I've already added this to this video, so let me go ahead and choose another one. Okay, so let me click on this one. When I click on it, now you see it here. Let's try and see how it works here. Okay, so but when I found out, I started using this method, so I will show you now. Do you notice anything? So now how to change the background. Okay, now you see the card. So whenever the video gets to this point, you will see it popping up this way. How to change the background. Fine. Okay, so the next thing you have to do, if you want to add more, you can use the same process and add more. Okay, then you can go ahead and save it. Right, after saving it, that's all. Now let's go to end screen and know what it means. So let's click on end screen. It's almost the same process, but then a little bit different. So usually end screen is usually at the end of your video, so we'll click it, we put it here. Okay, have a nice day. Now I said have a nice day here, but then I want to add this end screen before I will say the last statement. When we're talking about end screen, you don't necessarily put it when you are done talking. You can be talking and giving the last pleasantry, and you say, oh, I'm glad to have you here, thank you for watching, and then you add the end screen there. So let me start from here and add my end screen from this point. So now here you look at here, you have different templates on how the end screen can appear, right? But now let's go to element, plus element, right? You click on plus element, then you have videos, playlist, subscribe, and then we have the channel. So please, let's go to video and then add a video we want. See, the video we're going to add will appear here. Do you understand? You can change the position anyhow you want. So the video will appear there. So it says most recent. You can choose from specific videos. Now most recent, maybe your most recent video will appear. That's automatically, they will do that for you, right? But you want to choose, so let me try and choose. Okay, so I will choose from my videos. Probably I'm going to add this one here, all right? Or let me just try and add this. Okay, so you see we've added this one here. Immediately we click on this and then we selected our video. Suppose you want to add more, you can still use the same process and then go ahead and add more, right? So this is how to add end screen on your video. Do you understand? So I hope this is very clear. You can go ahead and add different types using the template I showed you at the beginning. But here I just want to have a video here, so I can now go ahead and click on save, right? I don't want to save this, so I will not save it, but for your video you can go ahead and click save. Let me discard it. So click save, and that is all about this particular tutorial, guys. So this is how you can add end screen and cards to your video. This is actually going to help your audience identify your videos, find your videos very easily, so they don't need to go through your playlist or anything to find all your videos. When you are talking about a particular video and you want to refer to it, go to cards. It doesn't matter whether you've posted the video before or you want to post it now. Make sure your video is posted first, then you go to YouTube Studio and do these settings. It's going to make your videos actually be recommended, right? Always, so people will always get to find your videos very easily. Please do this in all your videos. It's very important. Even if what you're talking about is not related to this particular video you are making right now, you can tell the person, fine, I have a lot of videos on how to do this, on how to do this. You can check it out. So do not end any video without end screen. Do you understand what I mean? So do not end any of your videos without having an end screen to it. Make sure you add end screen to all your videos. That's going to help your videos go viral. Catch you in the next update. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.